Hey, it's another Monday Morning with Mike, right here from Duraclean on Post Road in Plover. So we're here at Duraclean with the guys from Duraclean. So first, we're going to talk a little bit about who is Duraclean and what do they do. So Anton, tell us a little bit more about Duraclean and your services.
Absolutely. Duraclean is a cleaning and restoration company. This franchise has been locally owned here in central Wisconsin since 1985. We do a list of cleaning services: carpet cleaning, hard surface floor cleaning, air duct cleaning, any interior cleaning, janitorial services for commercial spaces. And then we do the full restoration as well for water, fire, and mold. And then we also run a repair service for the after disaster restoration work. So if somebody calls with a water damage, we're 24/7 emergency service. So somebody's always on call. We'll respond usually within an hour or two. We'll get to the customer's home, their basement or whatnot might be full of water. We'll help them extract and clean up the water damage or fire damage, and then that way we can help them get back together.
Now, something you don't want to miss is Duraclean's 18th Annual Brat Fry. It's next Friday, June 27th.
Al and Tammy, the previous owners, started the Brat Fry 17 years ago. Started off giving back to the community, doing it to show our appreciation for the community that we're in here. And this will be our 18th Annual Brat Fry this year. This year we are giving back to the community by donating all the proceeds to the Portage County Historical Society.
So how do you choose the organization?
Yeah, so every year we try to change it up every year, do somebody a little bit different or something that maybe that doesn't get a lot of recognition or maybe a lot of people don't think about too much. Every year we kind of sit down, we think about who would be a good one to go through, and then take a vote and go with that. So
Duraclean is focused on giving back to the community, whether it's through hosting fundraisers or providing excellent cleaning services. Be sure to join them on Friday, June 27th for their annual Brat Fry to help raise money for the Portage County Historical Society and enjoy some great food.